So this is kind of like the makeup tutorial portion of this video. I'm taking that Becca primer, putting it all over my face, and I'm just going to be rubbing that in. And then I also took the Maybelline Baby Skin, put that right in my T-zone. This is kind of what I did every single day for the festival. I couldn't talk when I was there, like I literally couldn't talk, so I was so sick. So I put the Tarte highlighter all over my face and just rub that in. I really went for like super mega glow for this look. I just wanted to glow. I used Tarte Shape Tape, basically concealed everywhere I would normally conceal, maybe a little bit more, because I kind of used it as foundation. It's so hot at festivals, I didn't really want to put on a load of foundation. So I just did concealer every day. I took the Fit Me powder. I think I was talking to someone. There's Charles. Yeah, I know. And then I set that all on my under eyes, and mostly just my under eyes, because then I used the e.l.f. finishing powder, and I pretty much set my entire face with that with a big fluffy brush. I found that combination of the two powders worked really, really, really well in the heat. Just really getting that in there. It's a very long clip of me rubbing my face. Then I used my Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder, and I was just contouring with that. If you look behind me, there's like to the right, that's the tent that I slept in every day. Use my Too Faced Cocoa Contour bronzer, and I really, really bronzed myself because my face didn't get super tan, but the rest of my body did. So I was trying to kind of match my neck and everything. You can see me doing that here. I used the Milani Luminoso Baked Blush. I thought that was a really pretty glowy. Everything I tried to make it as glowy as possible, basically. And then I used ABH Dip Brow. There's no video of me doing my brows, but I took that white shade, and then I took those two pale pink shades, put those in the crease. That darker red shade, threw that in my outer corner, kind of. Really getting that in there. Then I took the Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten, and I put that all over my lid. I find these glitters are the best way to have a glittery look without too much effort. Ended up looking like that. I had to dry them. And then I used my Becca Prosecco Pop. Really, really glowed, piled on. Like I just completely bathed myself in Prosecco Pop. Yeah, trying to be really glowy. And then the next, I took that darker pink shade and the darker red shade and kind of packed that on. I used Benefit Roller Lash to kind of lengthen my eyebrows. And then I used the MAC Bad and Bold Lash. And I like this because it's a 2-in-1. It's a lower lash liner and a top lash liner. I have no idea what shade I used there, but I'm pretty sure I just mimicked all the top shades I used for my bottom lash line. That's what I did every day. And then I, of course, used my Marc Jacobs eyeliner to kind of define my eyes a little. I was just kind of patting things out, getting the sweat off. It's my NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee, and I just threw that on pretty lazily. And then the final thing I used was the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, because it's just literally straight glitter all over your face. I actually sprayed this all over my body every day that I was there, which was a lot of fun. And yeah, just bathing in that, bathing in the glitter. And then these are some outside shots, just showing you guys like how glowy it was in person. And yeah, it was a lot of fun.